Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Been a wee while since I've had something up, but guys at British Cycling in Perth put up a wee last minute ride tonight, so I thought I'd sign up, jump along after I'd finished work and see where we get to. It's just a, I don't know, 20k 13-mile loop round the outskirts of Perth. Done it before, but it should be okay tonight. Meant to be 25, 26 degrees or something silly like that for this time of year. But yeah, not an awful lot of wind, definitely not raining, so we'll go along and we'll see how it goes. And you probably noticed there's not been an awful lot of content recently. The last thing so far has been day 2 of the Normandy 2025 trip. Just absolutely not had the time. There's too much going on in life, got to go to work, kids to look after and everything else that's going on. So you'll probably see this little video before part 3 comes out of the Normandy trip, but don't worry, that'll come at some point. Just need to find the time to put it all together. There's quite a lot of footage to pick through, and an awful lot of sightseeing was done at the same time, so got that. And then there's maybe a little something as well from when I was on holiday, and we were back in France with a family in July, so we'll possibly have a wee short video from that as well. We'll just have to see what happens. For the eagle-eyed of you as well, you might have noticed that the channel logo has changed. So I've been messing about a little bit with AI, just to see how we got on, and I had a picture from way back when I got my bike originally, on the Queen's Bridge in Perth with St Matthew's Church in the background, the church where I got married incidentally. And I thought, you know what, let's feed this into AI and see what it can do with it. So it's come up with what you're seeing in the logo, so I'm quite happy with it. You let me know what you think in the comments. So if some of you have been watching for a wee while, I had a video a couple of months ago, I don't know, March time maybe, where I was out. I was talking a bit about how I had been getting on, losing weight and everything else. Well, that was going quite well until I went on holiday to France with too much cheese, too much beer, far too much bread, all the good things in life really, and I put all that weight back on again. So currently in the middle of a wee session where I'm trying to eat a little bit more sensible and get some more time on the pelleting, which is a little bit easier than getting outside sometimes, because you're half an hour, just jump on and get over and done with, and then get back on with whatever else is going on in life. So hopefully in a few weeks time we can have hopefully have a bit of a result and lose some more weight hopefully, and get back to riding again. That's us just about finished tonight's ride about an hour or so. 20k, first ride in Perthshire for quite a wee while. It's been good to get out again, albeit it's been about 25-26 degrees, which is unheard of. Very little wind. Cracking ride, other than a little indexing problem I've had for the last half ride or so. Just need to get the bike up on the stand when I get in. But anyway, I'll leave you at that. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.